Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you a little something that I learned about functions. Well, do you remember that question when they gave you this, and they asked you to find this? Or that question when they gave you this, and they asked you to find this? Or that question when they gave you this, and they asked you to find this? Or that question... Well, you get the point. There are two ways in solving that type of question, depending on the position of the function in the composite function. But let me share with you a little something that I learned to make it a little more easier to solve that type of question. Alright, so let's say function f g x is equal to 2x plus 3, and it gives you gx is equals to x plus 1. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, alright, so first of all, the question asks us to find function f, and the information given is function g. So what I'm going to do is, I'll do an inverse of function g. So I'll get g inverse is equals to x minus 1. And what I'm going to do right now is, I'll put it side by side. So remember, this one from outside goes inside. So I'm going to get 2x minus 1 plus 3. And the answer should be 2x plus 1. So function f is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, you don't believe me? Let's try combining it. You'll get the same thing. Alright, now let's try the same question over again. But this time, it gives us function f, which is 2x plus 1. Alright, we're going to do the same thing. First, I'm going to inverse function f. And I'm going to get f inverse equals to x minus 1 over 2. Alright, this might look hard, but no, it's not. Alright, just remember, you have to line up the inverse function beside its normal function. So I'm going to line it up like this. Alright, so remember, the outside goes inside. So I'm gonna get 2x plus 3 minus 1 divided by 2. So I'll get 2x plus 2 over 2. And I'll write it down as x plus 1. It's the same. So we'll get function g is equal to x plus 1. Okay, so right now, after seeing the method I've used just now, you might think that a positive guy meets with a negative guy and they'll become neutral. But what really happens, okay, let's say function f is equal to 2x plus 1, and I'll inverse it to get x minus 1 over 2. Okay, so let's put it side by side right now. So I'm gonna get 2x minus 1 over 2 plus 1. So I'll just slash it out, get x. Alright, so what does this mean? Basically, we can say it's gone, because if we substitute the value of x into any function, it'll still be the same, and if we substitute the value of any function into x, it'll still be the same. Alright, so guys, just have to remember, the inverse function has to be beside the normal function for this method to work. And I hope you guys learned something new here, and you can teach it to your friends in school, and I hope it benefits everyone.